For the MakeCode Minute today, what I'd like to look at is setting up a sort of countdown timer using the Circuit Playground Express inside of MakeCode. And what I've done here is I've set it up so that we have a number of neopixels here that each represent 1 second. And in the interface, you can press the A button to increase, or rather the B button to increase, the A button to decrease. And then when I press the A, B buttons together, it's going to start counting down. Now you can't press those two things at once with a mouse, and that's why the simulator pops up this little A, B. In fact, let me go to a full screen simulator so you can see. Here's my B button increasing the countdown. And now I'm going to press this little combined magical A, B button here. And so you can see it's going to count down each second, and then it gives us a little flash of orange and some sparkles. There's also some sounds. You're not hearing them on here, but in fact, if I do it on my real circuit playground that I have hooked up here, we should be able to play along. So you can see each time I increase, we're getting lights there. I'm going to press them both together. There's other stuff you'll want to look at in the code, such as setting up counters and correlating the number of times you've pressed the button to a variable that will then correlate to the number of the pixel that's displayed, as well as counting it down. But this is the key thing here for using AB button. We actually have an AB button that lives right here in the on button press, which is part of the inputs. So when we press that, I'm setting the pixel color at the current number, the counter variable, counter current pixel to green. And then every second we go through and reduce that number by 1. We play a tone, and then we set the preceding pixel to black so that it disappears as we go. And so that's how you can use the AB buttons on the Circuit Playground Express to set up a little countdown timer that you can adjust. And that's your MakeCode Minute.